Welcome to the kingdom. Last 10 minutes of trading. Let's do a buy. Let's hold on 1 minute. We had that drop. See how it came right back. Last 10 minutes we could have followed this here. That's only 50. That's a 10-point move. That's a nice recovery right there. Looks like we missed out on that. You saw that major drop down. I did not catch the reversal. Yep, see that last 10 minutes. Look at it. The last 10 minutes of trading is what you need. Let's just play it to the downside. That was a big candle. Let's see. Well, we can take $40 and be happy with that. Because if it goes to 40, that's 40 and okay, you have to think. That's $80. That's $80 in 1 minute. If it pops back up, we can always get back in again. This might break the high of the day, which is 45. Yeah, see how it came down? If we kept it in. That's all you need. You only need 10 minutes of trading. Look at it. 10 minutes trading, that's all you need. There's $400 or $500 right there. These videos do not have to be long. The only reason why people have long videos is they're trying to get views. If you're trying to make money, then you come here 2-3 minutes and you're done. This is the kingdom. This is how we do it over here. Like and subscribe and share it. Still going down. But we made $80 in a minute. Could have been 500 if we kept it in. That's it. You got 5 minutes left to the market close. You made your money. And you go have a good day. Remember, God said, seek first the kingdom, and everything else will be added unto you. Get out there and create a kingdom business.